Hey guys, welcome back. So these are actual official LAPD helmets that they wanted me to paint. These are actually old models and they had a whole bunch left over, so they wanted to revamp them. They didn't want to throw them away, and they wanted to paint a couple of them so they can give them out to retired police officers. So I ended up painting two different helmets. The bottom there is actually metallic black. Looks way better than the original. And on the top, instead of going with the classic white, I used a very, very shiny House of Color silver. It's like Christmas. Don't ask me about that blanket on the bottom. I'm going to be tracing the logo that you see there on the left. It's a carbon paper, and then once you trace that over, the whatever you trace will stick on the helmet. From this point forward, I did everything using the brush, and then I finished it off with the automotive high gloss. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys and see you guys in the next video.